What is a good source for learning Google Ads? Good question. So the first one is Google Ads Support Center. Forget the internet, forget YouTube, forget the gurus. If you want to get the most accurate information, go to the support center, support.google.com, and you will get the most relevant and the most accurate answer to your questions. Then if you are on YouTube and you want to learn from certain experts, then I would highly recommend Kasim and John at Solutions 8. Their URL for the YouTube channel is on here. They are one of the best Google Ads experts I know of. They're great guys. They have got a great channel. They upload videos regularly, and the knowledge they have, especially about smart shopping, there's nobody out there who is better than them. So I would highly recommend that you go and check them out, subscribe to their channel. SF Digital, we also upload regularly. We've got over 800 videos now on our channel, with about 16,000 subscribers, and it is growing quite nicely for us. So thank you for all the support and the feedback which I get, the questions and the comments. I truly appreciate it. And these kind of videos, these questions I'm making from these questions which I get. So I truly appreciate that. Another one I would highly recommend is Linx Digital, which is run by Sash Singh. He's in Brazil, and his channel is also very good, and I've learned a lot from him with regards to video ads. He uploads he uploads videos on a very regular basis, and it's one of the channels which I would highly recommend that you subscribe and follow.